This is activity 3.3 on page 104, creating a query using query design. My Cabin Rentals queries is open and no objects are open. Now you will create the second query requested by the rental manager. You have already done some planning. Query 2, question. How much revenue is being pulled in by particular cabins on particular dates? For analysis, you will provide a list of cabins that were booked on a particular date and whose total rental cost exceeded a particular dollar amount. You will show the name of the cabin rented, booking start and end date, number of nights rented, nightly rate charged for the booking, tax and fees charged for the booking, and total cost for the booking. You will sort by cabin name, so results for each cabin are clustered together in the results. Because this query focuses on showing the total booking cost for each booking, you will name this query Query Bookings Total. Rather than use the query wizard this time, you will create the query using query design. Number 1, create a query. We're going to go up to our Create tab, and in our Queries group, we're going to select Query Design. In the Show Tables dialog box on the Tables tab, we're going to select Table Bookings. We're going to hold down our Control key and select Table Cabins. Then we're going to click our Add button. Field lists for each table appear in the Query Design document pane. We're going to close out of our Show Table dialog box. Resize and move the field list if necessary to see all of the fields. So let me resize this and resize this as best as I can. And I'll just give a little room in between. Observe the field list shown in the Query 1 design view. The table bookings and table cabins tables are related through the cabin ID field. In the table bookings field list, we're going to double click booking start date to add it to the query design grid. So table bookings, we want booking start date. We're going to double click that, brings it down to our design grid. Booking start date has been added. Similarly, add the following fields to the query design grid. Booking end date. We want booking booked rate. Booking booked tax and fees. Then we're going to insert a field between two other fields. In the query design grid, we're going to select the gray bar above booking booked rate. And this selects our entire column for us. We're going to go up to our Design Contextual tab, and we're going to Insert Columns. A new column is inserted before the selected column. In the new column, we're going to select the field row. So this is the field row here. The box arrow appears for us with a drop-down list, and we're going to select Table Cabins, Table Cabins dot cabin name, which is here. Table Cabins dot cabin name. And take a look at the column. The cabin name field and table cabins table have been added to the design grid. We want to right-click our Query 1 tab and select Save, and it's going to prompt us to name that query. We're going to do QRY Bookings Total. And click OK. The query bookings totals query now appears in the queries section of our navigation pane. And we're going to run and save the query. So up on our design tab, we're going to select run. And this shows us the results in datasheet view, which has 18 records in it. We're going to open our table bookings. Observe the number of records in the table bookings table. There are 18 records in table bookings, so the query bookings total query shows all the records in table bookings. At this point, the query essentially just creates a new temporary view that displays selected fields from every record in table bookings, joining the cabin name from the associated record in table cabins. We're going to clean up our workspace by closing out all of our tab, and we'll leave this open for our next activity.